In the last lecture, we have studied uh, how to design a state feedback controller. Using the state feedback controller, we can basically place the poles at any desired location. We can be able to get a desired type of response. We can change the transient performance, the steady state performance of a system by properly designing the state feedback controller. And उसमें हमारा aim क्या है? We need to find out the value of the matrix uh, K. Fine. By properly choosing the values of the gain matrix K, we can place the pole at any desired location. We can design as per the rise time requirements or as per the settling time requirements or as per the peak overshoot requirements of the system. That means in nutshell, the transient performance requirements कैसी होंगी हमारी उसी हिसाब से हम डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं एक सिस्टम को. So that was about the controller and it was associated with the controllability of the system. In a likewise manner, we have uh, observer associated with observability of a system is an observer. So what an observer will do is it will help us estimate the system states from the known values of input and output of a system. So it will be a device that estimates the system states. Fine. That estimates the value of the system states, different variables जो भी आपके सिस्टम है उनका एस्टिमेट हमें ऑब्जर्वर देता है बाय फ्रॉम द नॉलेज ऑफ द इनपुट एंड आउटपुट ऑफ अ सिस्टम we can be able to measure the value, we can be able to measure the response of the system, different state variables of a system at any given time. ठीक है. Observability, as I already defined to you, the property of a system by virtue of which we can estimate the system variables or the state variables from the known at any given instant of time uh, from known values of the inputs and outputs. अब ये जो डिवाइस जो वहाँ पे यूज़ होगा टू एस्टिमेट दैट वैल्यू दैट विल बी नोन एज द ऑब्जर्वर. तो आज हमारा जो व्हाट विल बी फोकस्ड अराउंड इज नाउ द ऑब्जर्वर. So, like I defined in terms of a controller, a system can be fully controllable or partially controllable. In a likewise manner, if an observer is able to estimate all variables of a system, it will be referred to as a full order observer. If it estimates only some state variables, it will be referred to as a reduced order observer. So you have a full order observer, you have a reduced order observer depending upon whether it's able to estimate all the variables, all the state variables of a system, or it's able to estimate only few of the state variables of the system. Now, again, there will be a number of types of observers. The most simplest of them is an open loop observer. So you have your system now. इसको कुछ input जा रहा है u and it's giving you some output y. Fine. Now, what the observer will do is it will make use of the system. So as I was saying, in an open loop observer, what we do is we have a system here. We are feeding it an input and it's giving us an output. Now, an observer will simply make use of the system model only. Okay? The same system model that was used to define the system, the same system model will be used to define an observer as well. So using this system model, we can predict the value of the output all these variables will now be estimated values of the output, and that's why I'll be using cap over these terms. ठीक है, तो आपको जो सिस्टम मॉडल होगा वो आपको स्टेट वेरिएबल्स देगा, बट दैट विल बी एक्स कैप, एंड it will give you also the knowledge of the output of the system, that will be y cap. This is an open loop observer. इसमें using the system model and using the input, the knowledge of the input that we have, we can estimate the state variable as well as the output of the system. Here x cap and y cap, they are estimated values of the system, of the state variables, are estimated values of state variables and the output of the system. Fine, so you have so you, in case of an open loop observer, we have a plant, हमारे पास कोई भी सिस्टम होगा, उसी सिस्टम का स्टेट स्पेस मॉडल हम यूज करते हैं, and state space model is nothing, this device here will be nothing but the observer of the system. That means it will be giving us the estimated values of the state variables and the estimated value of the output of the system by making use of the state space model of the system. ठीक है, you have the same state space model, you are making use of the same state space model, and you are feeding it the information of u to get the information of x cap, and once you have the knowledge of x cap, you can multiply it with c to get the value of y cap. So using this equation, by properly knowing the values of a, b and u, you can estimate the value of x cap. Once you have the value of x cap, you can multiply it with c to get the value of y cap. So estimator model and the plant model, जो आपका plant है और आपका जो estimator model है, they are identical. Estimator will be simply a mathematical tool. ये एक mathematical tool है. It's not a physical device. It's a mathematical tool that will be used to calculate the values of the system states. ठीक है, अब ये जो हम mathematics हम implement करेंगे, we can use controllers for that, microcontrollers या PC भी use कर सकते हैं, computers, MATLAB, different types of devices we can use to implement this algorithm. But it will simply be, estimator will simply be this mathematical equation of the system state, system model, that will help us in determining or estimating the values of the system states and the output. अब open loop system में क्या issue है, that because of varying environments and as well as because of certain internal dynamics of the system that change, the state space model, this state space model will not give us an accurate reading. It will give us ये जो यहाँ पे आउटपुट एस्टिमेट मिल रहा है, इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा एरर होगा because of the changing dynamics of the system, because of the environment within which this system is working. So instead of using an open loop estimator, what we'll be doing is we'll be designing a closed loop observer or a closed loop estimator. ठीक है, observer is a device that will help us estimate the values of the state variables from the knowledge of input and or output. Right? In case of open loop observer, we simply feed the information of u to the system model, to the state model of the system. यहाँ पे हमें a भी पता है, b भी पता है, u भी पता है, so we can estimate the values of x. Fine. Once we have the knowledge of x, we can then say what will be the value of y cap. So this is an open loop observer. There is no mechanism in which we can predict accurate readings. It will give us error prone readings. So we will be designing closed loop observers. So in case of closed loop observers, we will be feeding back the output of the system and through a proper gain matrix that will help us reduce the error in this system. Okay. So say for example, again we have this plant, and you are feeding it with an input u, you are getting an output y from this plant. You want to design an observer for the system so that will help us determining the different state variables and calculating the different state variables of the system. Okay. So that observer model will simply be the use, it will simply take use of the state space model of the system, that is x dot is equal to ax plus bu. ये आपका हो गया this is x dot, it's simply ax plus bu, so integrating this will give you x, fine, and by multiplying it with c you will get actually the value of y cap. ठीक है, अब हम यहाँ पर बोलेंगे x cap. Now in case of a closed loop observer, what we do is we will compare these two outputs and see what will be the error in the system. Fine. जो हमारा actual output है, this is our actual output of the system and this is our estimated value of the output. We want to see what is the difference between the actual output and the estimated output, and so we are getting an error, and that will be passed through observer gain matrix जिसका मैं नाम m रखूँगा. So इसमें you have different notations, you mostly write m or you write L in certain books. Fine. I'll keep it L. This knowledge of L will go back to this system so that a corrective action is taken depending upon the value of this error. ठीक है, अगर एरर आपका ज़ीरो है तो यहाँ से जो सिग्नल आ रही होगी वो ज़ीरो ही होगी. अगर यहाँ से एरर आपका पॉजिटिव है या नेगेटिव है, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन वट एवर द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस गेन एल यू हैव चोजन, we can take proper corrective measures so that this x cap is this y cap is equal to y, or in other words x cap is equal to x. Fine. In an open loop observer, what we see is because of the change in the environment, because of the change in the dynamics of the system is prone to error. It will not give us the accurate values of the output. It will give us those values will be actually deviated from the actual values of the output. So what we do is we design a closed loop observer. In this case, we are comparing the actual output with the estimated value of the output. That will give us an error, that will generate an error signal for us. Feed it through a gain matrix, observer gain matrix L. Fine. In case of state feedback controller, you had K, that was the controller feedback matrix. In this case, you have L, this is the observer gain matrix. By properly choosing the values of L, we can make sure that this error becomes zero. Fine. अब ये जो हमारा observer है, we can basically try to derive the model of this observer. So your state space model of the system is x dot is equal to ax plus bu and y is equal to cx. Your state space model of observer now in this case this is your observer. Fine. In case of open loop observer, the state space model of the observer and as well as the state space model of the estimator were exactly equal. यहाँ पे थोड़ी difference है. This is equal to x dot. Now instead of writing x dot, I'll write x cap dot is equal to ax cap plus bu plus this signal, यहाँ से जो सिग्नल आ रही है, this signal is L into error, where error is y minus y cap. So it is equal to L into y minus y cap. Fine. And y cap is simply equal to C x cap. Okay. So we can actually substitute y here and we can substitute y here. Therefore, equation number one becomes x cap dot is equal to a x cap plus L into c x minus c x cap, y minus y cap, c में बाहर निकालता हूँ, x minus x cap plus bu भी है यहाँ पे. Fine. Where this x minus x cap is your state error vector. Okay, it is actually showing you the difference between the actual states of the system and the estimated values of the system states. So let x equal to x minus x cap. Fine, x bar is equal to x minus x cap, and therefore x bar dot is equal to x dot minus x cap dot. Fine. So again, substituting these values, you will be having x dot is equal to simply ax plus bu minus x cap dot a. Equation आपकी is ax cap minus lc into x minus x cap, x minus x cap plus b plus minus bu. ठीक है. So let x bar is equal to x minus x cap. Therefore, x bar dot will be equal to x dot minus x cap dot. This will represent the error vector. The system states variables में जितना error है, x आपका actual states है system के, x cap आपका estimated values of the system states है. तो इन दोनों में कितना error है अभी वो देगा आपका state error vector. So we have substituted them here. So this is x bar dot. Fine. bu तो यहाँ पे cancel हो रहा है सीधे. x bar dot is equal to a, कॉमन यहाँ से निकाल के x minus x cap minus lc x minus x cap. Fine. So x bar dot is equal to a x minus x bar आपका x cap आपका x bar हो गया, माइनस LC x माइनस x कैप आपका x बार हो गया. सो x बार डॉट इज इक्वल टू a माइनस LC टाइम्स x कैप. फाइन. सो यू हैव x बार डॉट इक्वल टू a माइनस LC टाइम्स x बार. फाइन. तो ये आपका सिस्टम जैसे x डॉट इक्वल टू ए एक्स है, ये आपका वैसा ही कोई सिस्टम है जहाँ पे आपका प्लस बी वाली टर्म ज़ीरो है. दिस इज x डॉट इक्वल टू ए एक्स, वेयर यू कैन से दैट x इज एक्चुअली हियर x बार एंड a इज a माइनस एल सी. सो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस सिस्टम अगर हम निकालेंगे, इसकी जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन होगी वो क्या होगी, दैट विल बी जैसे होता है कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन एस आई माइनस ए इक्वल टू ज़ीरो, यहाँ पे एस आई माइनस. So as I was saying, we can rewrite these equations. We are actually trying to derive the equation of the observer. Observer here is ax cap plus bu plus L into y minus y cap where y can be replaced by cx and y cap can be replaced by cx cap. So substituting these values, we got ax cap plus lc into x minus x cap. We assume that x minus x cap, that's actually the error between the actual states and the estimated states. We let it be equal to x bar. Therefore, we can also say that x bar dot is equal to x dot minus x cap dot. X dot or x cap dot को हमने substitute किया. X dot was this thing, x bar dot was this, x cap dot, sorry. So bu cancels out, x यहाँ से x और x cap a common निकाल के यहाँ से LC already है. X minus x cap is x bar. Again this is x bar. यहाँ से a minus x bar common निकाल के, this is a minus LC post common निकाल के. Fine. Now this can be compared with x dot equal to a x. ठीक है, यहाँ पे अब a खाली आपका a minus LC है. So the Keres equation, normally the Keres equation Si minus a equal to 0. So in this case the Keres equation will be Si minus a minus L plus LC हो गया वो equal to 0. Fine. So the Keres equation of your system is this. So using the knowledge of this Keres equation, in the case of controller, when we design the state feedback controller, we got the Keres equation Si minus a plus bk equal to 0. फिर हमने k के values design किए for different for finding for whatever desired response we wanted. K values हमने design किए in the similar fashion. Now we can here design the value of L depending upon this by solving this Keres equation. So using this Keres equation we can solve for different values of L. That will give us the behavior of the observer now, not the behavior of the controller. And accordingly हम observer का जो error है error जो है between output and the output, estimated value of the output and the actual value of the output, we can reduce it to 0 by properly choosing the value of L. Fine. So if L can be chosen such that A minus LC, ये जो यहाँ पे system है, has stable and reasonably fast roots. ठीक है, ऐसा हम पोल्स को इस ऐसे डिज़ाइन करेंगे ताकि वो स्टेबल है और फास्ट भी हो. जैसे हम राइज टाइम से फॉर एग्जांपल कम रखेंगे जीटा, we can say for example it will be a critically damped response type of a response. So we can basically be able to reduce the value of this error to 0 as quickly as possible. ठीक है, यहाँ पे जो ये x bar है, this is the system variable error matrix. We want to reduce it to 0 by properly tuning this value of L here. Right? So taking a comparison between the state feedback controller and the estimator. In case of the controller, before we do any numericals on the observer, let's have a look at controller and observer में जो हमने डिज़ाइन किया अभी. So you had an equation here Si minus a plus bk equal to 0. This is your Keres equation of the system. By properly designing the system matrix K, controller gain matrix K, we can fine tune the system. Here your Keres equation was Si minus a plus LC equal to 0, where L is your observer gain matrix. By properly designing the value of L, we can reduce the system error to state vector error to 0 as quickly as possible. Also, if we actually take the transpose of the system, transpose of the system will be I का transpose I होता है Si minus A transpose plus C transpose L transpose. ठीक है, जब हम इसका ट्रांसपोज ले लेंगे इट विल स्टिल बी इक्वल टू 0. I का ट्रांसपोज I ही होता है, A का ट्रांसपोज A ट्रांसपोज हो गया, L C का ट्रांसपोज C ट्रांसपोज इंटू L ट्रांसपोज हुआ. ठीक है, so by comparing now these two equations you can see that A here of the controller matrix is equal to A transpose, B here is equal to C transpose. This is the duality, they are not equal, they are analogous to each other, they are not equal matrices. K is equal to L transpose. Right? By looking at these two characteristic equations, we can say that what is the जहाँ पे अगर आपका ऑब्जर्वर कंट्रोलर फीड स्टेट फीडबैक कंट्रोलर सिस्टम में आपका मैट्रिक्स ए है, ऑब्जर्वर फीडबैक मैट्रिक्स में आपका जो ए होगा दैट विल बी ए ट्रांसपोज B in case of a state feedback controller is equal to the C transpose in an observer gain matrix. K in the state feedback controller is equal to the L transpose in the observer gain matrix. Right? Now let's design an integrated state feedback and observer system. Integrated model. So what we did was we had a system, a plant, which gave us the value of the output. In case of a controller, we designed a value K by feeding it the system states. Fine. Now instead of feeding it the system states directly, we'll feed it the estimated values of the system states, and estimated value of the system states can be predicted from using the observer matrix that we derived, this L y minus y dot. So using the knowledge of the output and using the knowledge of the input, we can design this matrix design this mathematical tool to give us the estimated values of the system states. In case of controller, then we used to feed it through the path K. तो यहाँ पे अब हम instead of feeding it the actual values of the system variables, we are feeding the estimated value of the system variables and properly designing the system for these values. So we can try and solve this system. What you will see is इस पूरे सिस्टम का जो कैरेज इक्वेशन होगा दैट विल सिंपली बी इक्वल टू एस आई माइनस ए प्लस बी के इंटू एस आई माइनस ए प्लस एन एल सी इक्वल टू 0. This was your controller feedback matrix carriage equation. This is your observer model carriage equation. So your integrated model will have the carriage equation that will be simply the product of those two carriage equation. So this will imply जो स्टेट फीडबैक मैट्रिक्स के पोल्स हैं वो सिस्टम में प्रिजर्व रहते हैं इंटीग्रेटेड मॉडल में, और जो इस ऑब्जर्वर मॉडल के जो पोल्स हैं दे विल आल्सो रिमेन प्रिजर्व. दैट मीन्स दीज टू मॉडल्स, द कंट्रोलर मॉडल and the observer model, they are independent of each other, and this is actually known as the principle of segregation. Why? I do not want to go deep into this. So just like we did for a controller, let's take an example and see how to design an observer for a system. Simply design an observer for the plant such that poles of the observer, now these are not poles of the system, poles are located at -2, -3. So you have, this is your system, x dot equal to 2 1 0 0 x plus 1 0 u, y is equal to 1 minus 1 times x. So what we can do is first start with the observability matrix MO equal to C CA. Find out whether this system is observable or not. When it is observable, only then you can design an observer. If this system is not observable, we cannot design an observer for this system. Okay, so first step should always be to check out this thing. For I have already done that, so this system is observable. You can also see it. So your desired carriage equation, जैसे हम in case of state feedback controller करते थे, desired carriage equation is simply s plus 2 s plus 3 equal to 0. यही आपका s equal to -2 हो गया और s equal to -3 हो गया. ठीक है. This is s square plus 5s plus 6 equal to 0. So this is your desired carriage equation. And the carriage equation of your observer now is Si minus A plus Lc equal to 0, where Si is S0 0 S minus A जो मैट्रिक्स यहाँ पे आपका 1 0 0 plus Lc. L in this case will be a column vector, not a row vector like in case of K, into C. C आपका 1 और -1 था. इस सब का determinant equal to 0. This will become s minus 2, 0 minus 1 s plus, multiplying this with this, you will have L1 into 1, L1 into -1, this is minus L1, L2 into 1, L2 into -1, that's minus L2. This determinant is equal to 0, which implies s minus 2 plus L1 minus L1 minus 1 plus L2, s minus L2. This determinant is equal to 0. So इसको आप solve कर लो. You will get s square plus L1 minus L2 minus 2 times s plus L1 plus 2 L2 is equal to 0. This is your equation number 2. Comparing 1 and 2. Comparing the coefficients of 1 and 2, you will get L1 minus L2 is L1 minus L2 minus 2 is equal to 5, and minus L1 plus 2L2 is equal to 6. Solve these two equations for L1 and L2, you get L1 equal to 20, you get L2 equal to 13. So you have the desired carriage equation, you have the observer carriage equation. Observer carriage equation is Si minus A plus Lc equal to 0. स्टेट फीडबैक मॉडल की जो इक्वेशन होती है वो Si माइनस ए प्लस बी के होती है. ये Si माइनस ए प्लस Lc है. वहाँ पे हम K को डिज़ाइन करते हैं टू फाइंड आउट वेदर फॉर लोकेटिंग द पोल्स ऑफ द सिस्टम एट एनी डिजायर्ड लोकेशन. यहाँ पे हम L को डिज़ाइन करते हैं टू लोकेट द पोल्स ऑफ द ऑब्जर्वर एट एनी डिजायर्ड लोकेशन, नॉट द पोल्स ऑफ द कंट्रोलर. Fine. So that's all for today. We have seen little bit of about observers.